Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to Izzy the Tech Guy. Wanted to go deeper into some more data exploration. Um, One thing you'll face when you're doing some exploration, especially using SQL, is nulls. Nulls can be very tricky, but I'm going to go ahead and show you ways to handle that. Now, we have this AdventureWorks 2022 data set that we're using, and I'm going to be focusing on the suffix column. So if you look here carefully, there's several nulls in this column, and there's some that don't mention nulls, but they have nothing there. This is a blank, so it depends how you want to approach it, how your data is set up. And here I did a count, so you see we have different values in this suffix. I just did a group by. This is the query that's giving me that answer set down here. So if you look here, we have about 16,000 nulls, and we have about 3,700 blanks. So let's say, for instance, you want to get a data set where there's value in here. You can either go ahead and write your code to pull these exact values, or if you just want to eliminate nulls and blanks, I'm going to show you a quick way to do that. So you can come here, select star. You know what? Let's just copy this right here. What we have. I'm going to copy this right here. Paste that bad boy here, and then we're grouping by suffix. So let's go ahead and write our condition statement where suffix, I'm going to try two different things here, where suffix is not null and suffix is greater than 1. And I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. So ln, so this is going to take the length of the field, and it's going to bring back every time where the suffix is greater than 1. So let's go ahead and run this. The length, and let's get some more landscape here, or let's get some more field here. Okay, perfect. So you see here, this is bringing back everything. So we have the first, second, third, and the fourth, junior, PhD, senior. So we have all that. And if you see here, that eliminated the null, and that also eliminated the blanks. So I want to try something here. So that's how you do it. So let's just see if we just took this out of our condition and then ran this right here. Let's see what we would get. We would get the same thing. So you see here, we can kind of eliminate, not even say the is not null, we can just put the length of suffix is greater than 1. And let's see, I think you can also get away with doing equal to greater than, because I think the length of a blank field will come back as 0. So let's run that. Yep, and that did work. So those are two approaches you can take to deal with nulls or blank values in a column. Thank you for tuning in today. Like and comment. Bye bye.